What's up, guys? Still to this day, I get a lot of questions about S35VN. I would say like 1 in 5 questions is asking me my opinion on S35VN. I guess the whole big stink that happened on the forums with my videos and S35, and it's becoming uh, more widely adopted now. More people are using it, so I guess people are seeing this deal and wondering how it's going to perform. Anyway, uh, a lot of the people that disputed, let's say that's the right word, disputed my tests, they would use Crucible's CATRA data as evidence to pretty much contradict my tests. Not saying my tests are correct. I'm not even really talking about my tests here. I'm talking about Crucible's CATRA data that everybody they just seem to parrot the same thing. Well, Crucible's CATRA data puts it at blah, blah, blah. This is something that I actually did not notice. Kylie Harris sent me an email about this a while back, and I checked it out and I looked at it. Then I kind of forgot about it for a little while until I saw a discussion on Blade forums right now about is there a current consensus on S35VN? Well, there's a guy, and of course somebody comes in and quotes, well, Crucible's CATRA data, blah, blah, blah. Well, if you go to Crucible's page on S35VN, that's what they're talking about on this page, CPM S35VN. You scroll down, you go through all this riffraff, blah, blah, blah. You get down to edge retention, what everybody's parroting here, the data here. Well, so-and-so says it's the same as S35VN. All right, relative to 440C. The CATRA machine, blah, 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 cut silica impregnated cards. Well, they see CPM S30V, then they see CPM S35VN sitting on top, and both with a value of 145. So they automatically think, boom, edge retention is exactly the same. Well, you see this little asterisk right here? This asterisk corresponds with this little sentence down here. Estimate based upon market feedback. Estimate. Keyword, estimate. So this data is not primary data. Crucible didn't actually perform a CATRA test on S35VN and then publish that data. That's called primary data. What they did was take secondary data. I think that's what it's called, isn't it? Secondary, whatever. Anyway, not important. They took pretty much info from other people, could be conjecture for all we know, and then came up with an estimate. They may look at the composition, which isn't the same as S30V. They may let some people test it out and they say, yeah, we can see no discernible difference. Maybe other people have performed CATRA tests, but Crucible themselves have not done CATRA tests on S35VN as per their own website. The asterisk corresponds with this sentence right here, estimate based upon market feedback. So CATRA, or this data is essentially a guess. So the whole point of this video was to tell people that don't always believe what you hear, because you'll hear on the forums people parrot the same crap over and over again. Then it becomes a widely accepted idea because of groupthink. Maybe some popular poster says it, and then all the rest of the people pretty much adopt that as fact without knowing anything else to the contrary, or actually without knowing anything that backs that statement up. So it's always good to learn this stuff and pay attention to the fine print like Kylie Harris did at Knives and Stuff, the YouTube channel. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I still don't like S35VN. It doesn't hold its edge as long as S30V. It's an alright steel. Chris Reeve runs it way too soft. Doesn't hold its edge very well. but it is what it is. If I can like VG10, then I can like S35VN. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys this and see what you thought about it. And the credit goes to Kylie because I didn't discover this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.